Mary sold 2 cars for $30,000 each. She made a 20% profit cost of the first car and a 20% loss on the cost of the second car. Which of the following must be true? Okay, here something interesting is saying there is a 20% profit on the cost of the first car. Okay, we know that this price includes the 20% profit on the cost of the first car. So 30,000 must equal the percent increase of 20% over the original price of the first car. This is the cost of the first car. This is the selling price. So the selling price is actually bigger than the cost in 20%, so that's the profit, the 20% profit. But here, from this, you can just simplify, and 6 divided with 30, you get 5, so 5,000, right? Multiply by 5, you get x equal 25,000. From this, the profit clearly was 5,000. What about the second car? Well, the second car was sold at a loss. That means the selling price was less than the original cost. How less was? Okay, 20% less. So that is to say 80% of cost of the second car. So here you simplify 4 over 5. Divide by 4, here 300, divided by 2 is 150, divided by 2, 75. So 7,500. So y actually is 5 times 7,500, which is $37,500. Now, what's the loss? The loss is $7,500. A profit of 5,000, a loss of $7,500 was a total loss of $2,500. So it's option B.